Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what could be the best Halloween prop to add a chilling touch to your costume this season. The Bulex Horror Crying Woman Mask with Wigs. This full-head latex mask stands out for its realistic and terrifying design, making it an excellent choice. For anyone looking to truly scare and impress at Halloween parties, masquerades, or cosplay events. The mask is crafted entirely from latex, which means it's flexible yet durable enough to maintain its eerie appearance throughout any event. It covers your entire head, creating a completely immersive and frightening look that captures the essence of a scary evil ghost or demon. What really makes this mask special is the lifelike crying woman face, detailed with disturbing expressions that instantly catch attention and create an unsettling atmosphere wherever you go. Comfort hasn't been sacrificed for the scare factor. The mask is designed to fit most adults comfortably with a spacious interior that allows for easy breathing. There are also strategically placed holes to ensure you have clear visibility, so you can move around safely while maintaining the horror look. This balance of visibility and breathability is crucial in a mask that covers your full head, and the Bulex mask manages this well. Versatility is another great feature. Whether you're heading to a carnival, a fancy dress party, or a haunted house event, this mask fits a variety of spooky occasions. It's not just a Halloween mask. It's a costume centerpiece that pairs well with wigs and full-body outfits to create a convincing horror character. The overall dimensions and weight are reasonable, weighing just over 9 ounces and sized to comfortably fit most heads, so it won't weigh you down or feel restrictive for hours of wear. Additionally, it's easy to store and transport thanks to its compact packaging size. If you're aiming for a mask that delivers a genuine scare factor with a blend of realism and comfort, the Bulex Horror Crying Woman Mask is a solid choice. Its detailed craftsmanship and full head coverage offer a level of immersion that many simpler masks just can't match. So for your next Halloween event or cosplay party, this could be the prop that really sets your costume apart. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Be sure to subscribe for more honest reviews and the best product insights to help you pick the perfect items for any occasion.